Hello and welcome to iCalculator's video series on US tax basics. In this video, we'll be focusing on the state of New Jersey. We will cover the state's history, types of taxes with detailed explanations, and the various tax exemptions available so you can make better informed financial decisions for yourself or your business. New Jersey became the third state in the United States on December 18, 1787. The state's main GDP comes from industries such as pharmaceuticals, finance, and tourism. New Jersey's unique cultural and economic features, including its diverse population, proximity to major cities, and strong industrial base, have shaped its tax system. The state has experienced various tax-related events, including the implementation of a sales tax in 1935 and the adoption of an income tax in 1976. It is important to understand the various taxes and tax exemptions available in New Jersey, so you get the most from your money. First, let's take a look at the different type of taxes. Sales and use tax, property tax, individual income tax, corporate income tax, motor fuel tax, and cigarette and tobacco tax. Now let's take a look at these different types of tax in further detail. Sales and use tax. This tax applies to most goods and services sold within the state. It is collected by businesses and remitted to the state government. Property tax, a tax imposed on real estate and personal property, which is determined by local governments based on property value. Individual income tax, a tax levied on the income of individuals and certain other entities residing in the state. Corporate income tax, a tax levied on the income of corporations and certain other business entities operating in the state. Motor fuel tax, a tax on gasoline, diesel fuel, and other motor fuel sold within the state. Cigarette and tobacco tax, a tax imposed on the sale of cigarettes and other tobacco products in the state. Now we have covered the different types of taxes in detail. Let's now take a look at the various tax exemptions available in New Jersey. There are various tax exemptions available in New Jersey, including sales tax exemption. Certain items and services, such as groceries and prescription medications, are exempt from sales tax. Homestead exemption, a reduction in property taxes for homeowners who occupy their primary residence. Senior citizen exemption, a reduction in property taxes for senior citizens who meet certain eligibility requirements. Disabled veteran exemption, a reduction in property taxes for disabled veterans who meet certain eligibility requirements. Agricultural and wildlife exemption, a reduction in property taxes for land used for agricultural or wildlife management purposes. That is all for this video on New Jersey tax basics. We hope that this New Jersey state tax guide was helpful in providing you with a better understanding of the state's tax system. By knowing more about the history, types of taxes, how taxes work, and the various exemptions available, you can make better informed financial decisions for yourself or your business. Be sure to stay tuned for the next state tax guide in this series, or check out our US Tax Basics playlist. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.